Welcome back. Let's continue. Wait, you're new. My apologies. You're all so many, it's easy to forget where we left off sometimes. But fear not, since you're new, I will take it from the start, the very start. A long time ago, almost as old as your parents, there were dinosaurs. Long necks, big teeth, covered in jello, eating junk food. Those were magnificent creatures. Conflicts weren't an issue, if you were an overpowered T-Rex. The T-Rexes all believed they were much stronger, smarter, quicker, and overall better than the other dinosaurs. Because the other dinosaurs were not, in the eyes of the T-Rex, designed to their full power, thus dividing everyone.
Sorry about your sound. Tusk?
Let's go. Stay, Tooth.
It doesn't hurt as much.
It's better for it to heal properly than you run around on your own.
Can't you stay with me until it heals?
No.
My stars, where am I? This your nest? Sorry for barging in. I wasn't sure where I was headed. But isn't this a great mystery? It starts somewhere cool and ends up somewhere warm. Speaking of warm, or, well, not, I need to get to that puddle over there. You see, I'm a swimmer. I love swimming. Care to help me?
How will you swim?
You see, I have a big heart. There's lots of rooms to always get better at swimming.
No, you... How will you swim with only a head?
I have to find my body. I must have dropped it somewhere. What's your name, by the way?
Tooth?
My friend Tooth. Tooth, my friend. Please help me find it. I need to hide it in the water from the storm. By the way, I'm Jones. Only Bones now, I assume.
Wait, Jones... Storm?
Yeah, sometimes I tend to talk about stuff that isn't relevant to the conversation. That's why I never ended up a comedian. They said I was hard to follow. Oh, I should totally go with that now. I'm only Bones.
Jones, please!
Right, focus. So there I was on my own. When suddenly, wham! A sudden wind came swooshing in. The clouds turned dark, and my sight became blurry. I tried to resist it by standing tall, but Oh, I'm getting chills. Maybe I should be a storyteller instead. Anyway, I noticed my blue jello cracking up. It felt very similar to water, so I thought I could handle it, but not. And then, my jello cracked!
Cracked?
Cracked! I was left with nothing, and blew away with the wind too. Well, here.
It's snow.
Oh.
It freezes everything. Leaves nothing behind. It hurts dinosaurs.
Perhaps we can find my body before the storm hits. Unless we just forget about it and let the storm hit us. Maybe we will survive?
We will. Jones, I know a way to help others. Care to help me?
Look at you glowing. I can! Though not sure how much help I'll be.
We need help.